All right, so here we're in my car. I've got my spec MagSafe vent mount here. Ignore these snacks over there. I'll explain that in a minute. The car vent safe MagSafe mount. What I'm actually going to try to do is it has this little ball piece and this, the regular MagSafe piece. So I think I'm going to try to take the iAudi one I have off and put that one on there instead of using the vent. Just so it's not blocking the vent and getting air blown on the phone. So I'm actually going about 2.5 hours away to pick up my Apple Watch Ultra 2 that I found at Best Buy. So I've got to drive over to another state and grab that. Like I said, about 2.5 hours one way. So got the snacks over here and going to be doing that. I was going to do a ProRes video test and do the external storage recording and stuff like that for this video, but I did about a 5-second test and realized that it was a 1.2 gigabyte file. So for the purpose of uploading this later, I am not going to do that. So I'm going to get this mount installed real quick before we head off and see how that works, and then I'll be right back. All right, yep, that wasn't an issue. I just got it right there on the little mat, or on the ball mount on the suction cup there. So I really like that over putting it over the vent. I've actually had phones overheat when I have the heat on in the winter, so I prefer to keep them not directly in front of the vent. So there we go. I'm gonna get my CarPlay set up, get my maps set up, and we're gonna go get some gas, breakfast, and we're gonna head off to Best Buy. All right, ignore the stuff on the floor there. Like I said, 2.5 hour trip, so I had some food, but it's now 11:44. I just got the Apple Watch from Best Buy. I'm gonna go stop and grab some lunch, and then we're gonna be headed back home. All right, so made a quick stop for some lunch here. Raising Cane's, got a chicken sandwich. Charged me 41 cents to get some honey mustard, and they didn't tell me until like I got up to the window that it was 41 cents. Like, it wasn't on the menu board. Only the cane sauce was on there for extra. So I paid, and I was like, oh yeah, can I get some honey mustard with that? And she was too busy telling me it was 41 cents to actually give me the ketchup I asked for as well. So I hate when restaurants charge for little sauces like that, especially chicken places. Like, it's kind of a given that you should get a dipping sauce. All right, just finished up some lunch here, Raising Cane's. About to get back on the road, get home. Probably do either an unboxing or a live stream of the Apple Watch when I get there. So I don't know what you're seeing first, this video or that, depending on whether I live stream or not. So about to put this back on the mount, hook up CarPlay again, and get back home.